Another day, another story. Welcome to Executive Hospitality International video on working at a cruise ship. Working at a cruise ship can be an exciting and rewarding job, but it also requires hard work and dedication. Hi there, I'm Kamang and I've been working on cruise ships for 3 years now. Let me show you how it's done. First, I start by introducing myself and the ship's facilities to the guests. I make sure they know where everything is and answer any questions they may have. Next, I focus on my assigned duties. This could be anything from serving food and drinks, to providing entertainment, to working in housekeeping department. Working on a cruise ship requires teamwork and communication. We all work together to ensure the guests have a great experience. It's also important to have a positive attitude and be flexible. Cruise ships are constantly on the move, and things can change quickly. In addition, we receive training on safety procedures and emergency protocols. We are responsible for the safety of the guests, and we take that very seriously. Overall, working on a cruise ship can be a challenging and rewarding experience. It allows you to travel the world, meet new people, and learn new skills. Thanks for watching, and we hope you learned something new about working on a cruise ship. Come and join us for the best experience with Executive Hospitality International. Thanks for watching.